Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to be installing a new exhaust in my Mustang. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a full exhaust system on a 2024 Mustang Ecoboost. I did install this front end bumper. This is from the Dark Horse style bumper. I am going to be installing the Dark Horse hood from Vicrez also. I do have this back wing that I installed from Vicrez, also carbon fiber. And now we're going to be installing this exhaust system right there. It's a complete exhaust system, comes with tips, comes with everything you need for the Ecoboost Mustang. So let me show you how to install it. Let's just begin. First of all, make sure your car is nice and secured. I have secured the car. It doesn't move whatsoever. So let's just begin. I'm going to go underneath. I'm going to tell you what bolts and what you need to do to remove the exhaust system that it has. But first, let me show you the rev of this exhaust system originally from the car. We are underneath the car. The exhaust system is held with 6 bolts. There's 2 here which are gonna hold the exhaust system here, that's connecting to the main one, and there's 4 more way over there. Let me show them to you. There is one right there where the exhaust system is, 1 on each side, and you got 2 of them, one right there, the other one right there. So there's going to be 4 in total, and the other 2 over there that I just unbolted, and the exhaust system will come down. Here we go, guys. This is the old exhaust. This is the Vicrez exhaust. Let's set it up so we can install them. Now you do have to take these mounts off and place them on the new ones. There's 4 of them. So let's just do that. First of all, I started off by placing this piece right here, the one that connects to the actual car. All right, I connected that one. Then we're gonna go and connect the other one over there so we can hold it up. There you go. I'm gonna connect this piece. Everything's loose. I haven't tightened anything. So this one has a clamp that's gonna hold it up right there. So let me connect the other one, and that'll hold this piece on. There you go. Now, like I mentioned, everything is loose. I have not tightened anything. I'm just gonna mock it up, make sure that it's in the right position, in the right place before I tighten it. There it is. The entire exhaust system is installed, but we still need to tighten it. So let's just align it the way it's supposed to be so we can tighten it. There it is, guys, the exhaust system from Vicrez. Now this job took about 2.5 hours to do, which is real easy, and you can do it. All right, thank you very much, guys. Subscribe to the channel. All the information and the exhaust that I used are in the description below. Go ahead, hit them up, tell them Faraway sent you, and like always, stay safe and God bless.